don't want to use water interior at all. Exterior doors sometimes have a lip to prevent water from getting in the bottom, but the exterior driveways are built at a V where the water drains to the middle in most situations. Inside, they are not made like that. The water will literally go right into the unit. So don't use water interior. Use a wax product. We do have these things amazing. I call them magic pads. They're called prep pads. They're 000 synthetic steel wool. It's what we use to get all the chalk and oxidation off the doors before we do it. But they take off, the black marks in the hallways from the carts that people run in. It takes those off without scratching the paint. They're amazing. And any kind of like a wax product that is made for painted metal. You can get it like a car automotive shop.
There you go. Yeah, I just Googled Carnauba wax because I never heard of that term in my life, and and it's related a lot to car paint. So there you have it. And then Jenny, I mean, again, the people want to know about doors. Jenny has any suggestions on wooden doors? I know we've talked a lot about metal, a lot about paint. What about wood? Any advice on maintaining wooden doors?
I would say wash them. Wash them down, keep them clean, and then paint them.